Hi everyone. On my live session earlier, I was making some painty paper, and the painty paper that I was making looks a lot like paste paper. So since a couple of people had not thought of that before, I wanted to show you what I did. So I wanted to make a really quick video. It's not a real it's not rocket science is what I'm trying to say. I have some combs. These are spreader scrapers. They are from the hardware store. I believe they're designed to spread gook underneath drywall tape. That's why they're small. Doesn't really matter. You can get these cheap ones at Harbor Freight, someplace like that. These are just, they're perfect for combing on, and we're going to do this on the Gelli Plate, which means that we're just going to use regular paint. They dry real fast, so you can keep going with some layers. I'm just going to put down some paint and show you what I'm talking about. It gives you that combed paste paper type look. And it was a lot of fun, and I just wanted to make a quick video to show you what I had been doing. And so I'm gonna, well, I guess those two colors are very much alike. We're just gonna put some paint on our Gelli Plate with the brayer, and I'm just using, I should have shown you, it's just craft paint. This one's Deco Art Americana, and the yellow one I used, I think, was this real inexpensive, cheap Craft Essentials paint. The point is just to use whatever you like to Gelli Plate with. And then I'm using a comb for this one. Oops. And I'm just gonna, I like to do different layers with my paint, so. And you see how you get the combed lines in it? Let me show you on this one, it might show up better. Now let's get a darker color because that didn't show up very well. So let's go for some red. And maybe some of this turquoise together so that you can see it better. But we had a discussion about the fact that when you do paste paper takes a while to dry. You have to wet your paper down. You're using some kind of medium mixed with your acrylic paint, and it does take longer to dry. So the Gelli prints dry real fast when you're using craft paint. Let's use this square. This one works really well. And you could cut a piece of cardboard to have these little ridges. Sorry about that. I don't know why my computer decided to tell me things all of a sudden, but it did. You see, that one looks, you can see it even more, the combed designs that look very much like paste paper designs. But yet it's done on your Gelli plate, so it's quick, it's easy. Let's do a red one. And what color shall we put with the red? Maybe some maybe some of this orange. Let's put this up here out of the way. Okay. Now this time the plate's going to be kind of sloppy, and that's okay because paste paper actually has a thickness to it, so that's all right too. And where's my little comb? Now because I spent a lot of time playing with this in my live, this is just going to be a quick video. If you want to see some more of what we were doing, I will link the live to this video. But it was just a matter of the fact that I was surprised that nobody else had thought about using combs or whatever, and I'm sure someone has. It's just that nobody in my live had. And if you notice, it just leaves this great paste paper look to it. They even feel a lot like paste paper because the craft paint is got that little bit of dry texture to it. And you see the fun combed designs that happen. So that's just what I wanted to show you, and I wanted to just jump on real quick and show it to you. Like I said, I was doing it for over an hour earlier, and all I am using is my Gelli plate and craft paint. This is just some of it's Americana, some of it is this Craft Essentials paint. I've got just all kinds of craft paint here. So and then these are combs. Now one of the things you need to watch about hardware combs, they do make them out of metal, and you wouldn't want to tear up your Gelli plate. So do make sure that you get the plastic ones and be a little gentle with your Gelli plate. These 3 combs came in a package for $1 from Dollar Tree. So this is a real inexpensive thing you can do with your Gelli plate. It's one more tool you can use on your Gelli plate to give you a slightly different look. So it's just a quick video, and like I said, I'll link you to the time we spent playing with this today. And thanks for stopping in and watching my videos. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Please click the like button and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you another day.